Hey everybody, my name is Matt. I'm here at the Bucks 3D Expo with David from Print and Solid. Why don't you tell us about your booth, what you guys got going on here?
So what we brought here is we brought all of our different PRUSA 3D printers out. We were acquired by PRUSA about 2 years ago. And we have the XL here, we have the MK4, and then we have the Mini, and then we have the PRUSA enclosures here.
Awesome.
To show off to everyone and help bring a little more information to everyone to let them know that we are their USA distributor here. And we can deal with all that wonderful red tape paperwork that you have to deal with for government education sales here in the United States.
Absolutely.
And then we're also showing off our Jesse filament, which is actually a USA-made filament right here in Delaware.
Wow, that's incredible.
And everything about it is in the USA, so the resin, the color, even the spool itself is all made here in the US.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you so much for coming out. And so these are education and government sales specifically through you.
Specifically through me, so we can deal with all that stuff. We also still sell to consumers and anyone else that wants it, but our specialty is all that paperwork.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you so much for coming out.
And thank you for having us.